So that shows that there's been a constant improvement in within 1 month, which just proves that if the league is longer and if there are more such tournaments, there's scope for so much of improvement, and that's the best part. And obviously, the way it was organized was also really special. Prudent was covering the match live, so it. Had a broader audience, and a lot of people can see the talent that's there in Goa. And then the floodlights, the ground, and everything, because not a lot of matches happen in floodlights. So I'm sure for few of these girls, maybe it was also the first time that they're playing this tournament in the floodlights. So all in all, I was really impressed and glad that something like this had started, where the state football association, and a corporate had come together and organized this wonderful league for the women's football. We can't just expect AIFF to do everything, and if something like this, initiatives like these, can be taken over by other states as well, would be a good contribution to the bigger objective of improving women's football in India. So I think Vedanta Group has set a great example, and other states should get the motivation and should see the result, that it was such a positive result in the media, among the people, the audience, and everything. So why not in other states?